Okay, now again another question of NDA previous year question. If alpha is given to you, alpha is given to you, then you have to find the value of this one. There are four options which I have not written. So first of all, observe what is alpha here. Alpha is minus 1 plus minus 3 under root. It can be written as minus 1 under root into minus 3 under root upon 2. And we know that minus square root of minus 1 is iota in terms of complex number, it's iota. And this one is the value of omega. Okay, cube root of unity, omega is cube root of unity. So we know that minus 1 plus iota root 3 upon 2 is equals to omega as per our notation. So alpha is nothing but its omega. So there are two properties related to omega, that is omega cube is equals to 1, one property, and another property is 1 plus omega square is equals to 0. These are two very much important properties related to cube root of unity. Okay. Now simplifying the given expression, already we had. I think you must have noted this one. So come to this expression. It's 1 plus alpha is nothing but omega. Okay. Alpha is nothing but omega. It's equal to omega. So omega raised to the power 19. What will be omega raised to the power 19? Divide this power by 3. You will left with the remainder 1. Okay. 6 3 जा 18. एक ही रिमाइंडर बचेगा ओमेगा. So omega alpha 19 is equivalent to alpha. Similarly, when you will divide 35 by 3, remainder will be 2. So this whole expression is equal to 1 plus alpha minus alpha square. Similarly, what about this expression? This will be 1 minus 3. Divide 25 by 3. It will come out 24 is divisible by 3. So it will be equivalent to alpha. Alpha raised to the power 25 is equivalent to alpha. Divide by 3. The remainder will come out to the power of alpha. Similarly, divide this one by 3. Okay. So you will left with alpha square. Okay. Now can you find the answer of this one? Answers are integers basically 1 minus 1 0. Those are in options. Can we write 1 plus alpha square? Because we know that 1 plus alpha square is equals to 0. So from here 1 plus alpha can be written as minus alpha square. Similarly 1 plus alpha square can be written as minus alpha. Okay. So using these two expressions 1 plus alpha is equals to minus alpha square. Substitute the value of minus alpha square. Okay, 1 minus alpha square, this one is equals to minus alpha square, and minus alpha square it will be minus 2 alpha square raised to the power 100 minus 1 plus alpha square will be equals to minus alpha. Okay, and minus 3 alpha is already here. It will be equals to 50. What we are left with? We are left with 2 raised to the power 100 here, because minus and power of minus is even number, it will be a positive number, and alpha raised to the power it will come out 200. Similarly, this one is equivalent to minus 4 alpha, and minus 4 alpha power is 50, that is also an even number, so it will be 4 raised to the power 50 into alpha raised to the power 50. Okay, you can take common 2 raised to the power 100, because this one is also equals to 2 raised to the power 100. 4 raised to the power 50 can be written as 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 50. It will come out 2 raised to the power 100. Okay, so we are left with again 100 alpha raised to the power 200. Keep in mind alpha is cube root of unity. Alpha is omega. So divide this one by 3. When you will divide 200 by 3, it will come out, means remainder will be 2. Okay, so remainder will be 2. So this one is equivalent to alpha square. Similarly, alpha raised to the power 50, divide 50 again by 3. Okay. So when you will divide 50 by 3, again after alpha will means remainder will be 2. So this expression is alpha square minus alpha square, or it will come out 0. So 2 raised to the power 100 multiplying with 0, final answer will be 0. Okay.